Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day to my future employer. Hi, my name is Jovelyn Vergara, 28 years old, from Taytay, Goa, Camarines Sur, single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 10 years old boy and 6 years old boy.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 8 siblings. I'm from P.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am undergraduate college
Why did you not finish your college, ma'am?
for financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience abroad, Egypt. My duties responsibilities are cooking, baking, take care kids, ironing, and cleaning.
Are you finished contract?
Yes,
Do you have other work experience abroad?
yes, I have experience Saudi Arabia, take care elderly, and one older. I'm finished contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm trustworthy, hardworking, and loyal.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to sustain my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I love animals.
Now, give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I talk to them to a calm voice.
Lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
They're my future employer. I hope you selected me, and I promise to you that I work hard, and if you help kids, I will love them as my own. Thank you.
Thank you.